Left 30 meters. Ooh, coastal road. The other side of the island.
Galing.
Drivers here.
Hello, Fox.
We're approaching the end of our trip. Ganda pa na Nakjin ang next natin. Nakjin is the next town.
Tama hanggang sa destination niya. 2 minutes na siya naiwan. Malapit na tayo. Wow. Straight ahead.
Wow, nice. Very nice color ng ocean. Nice. Very nice.
Wow, coastal tayo.
Coastal. Slope control ba, no? Ano siya, it's really sloping, tas meron siyang water control, the flow of the water, na-optimize nila.
1 minute na lang. Destination
1
niya.
minute to destination. Wow, nice. Super
Pero yung place
nice.
natin, ganyan lang sa kwan tayo. Oh.
Kung dito siya open na ocean, di ba? Parang ano lang siya eh.
Cove siya.
Cove siya, so it's safer. 40 speed.
Near. Sa right yung destination.
Yep, it's on the right side.
400 meters.
Yep,
350. Dahan.
Uy, baka dyan tayo. Look at that.
Ano, delikado. Ano mo yan? Barge yan ah.
Cute.
Ayun oh, may mga cars.
I think we're here.
No?
Yep. So we're in this side of the other side. 150, 140. So we just park it like this. 190. Ano ka na ba?
80.
I think it's that house, oh, that blue house.
Sa Blue House is tayo pasok. Dito tayo.
Yeah.
Destination is on the right.
Dito.
Ooh. Cute naman. Okay.
Ano tayo?
I think so.
Tikit tayo. Mahulugan tayo.
It's oops. Stop it. Stop it.
Bye bye.
Stop it.
Okay.